How I Met Your Mother. It happened one fine day when I was a single lad. The year was 1955, not a worry to be had. I was in the RCAF, a fine young officer, no doubt. Who knew that on that fateful day my life would turn about? We flew an aircraft to an airbase near to Montreal. It was just an average flight to have it overhauled. We went into the mess hall for a drink before dinner, when suddenly I saw this girl who really was a winner. She was teaching school there. Oh, what a lovely creature. I was drawn to her like moth to flame. I surely had to meet her. Our navigator knew her, so our mate introduced me. Suddenly I felt quite shaky. I was nervous as can be. We seemed to hit it off during dinner there that night, and we saw each other the other morning, just prior to our return flight. On the trip home, I told the nav my single days were over. I told him I would marry her, no longer be a rover. He said that I was crazy and just a real crackpot. But 2 years later to the day, guess what? We tied the knot. 58 years later, and we're still in love, to be sure. A lovely daughter and fine son. Who could ask for more? So that is how I met your mother. It was love at first sight. I really never believed it could happen until that lucky night. Yeah, that's how I met your mother.